You see a clue? Where? Whoa. There's a clue. On that tornado. So. A tornado is our clue. We need our handy-dandy notebook. Hey. How did Blue get a paw print on the tornado? Incredible. We'll draw a line that swirls down like this. There. It kinda looks like a tornado. There. A tornado. Oh no. The tornado is coming this way. Let's get out of here.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're experimenting some clue technical difficulties. Please stand by. Tyrone, what the fuck are you doing here? Oh shit, gotta go. Get the fuck back here.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're experiencing some clue technical difficulties. Please stand by.
I'm beating your ass too.
Wait.
He's slumbering. He got his ass out in the air.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen.
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently Blue Gamer and Tyrone are getting their asses beat.
And we're replacing them. Please stand by.